In a city like Murray, Utah, where summers can be hot and dry and winters cold and snowy, home energy efficiency is more than a luxury, it's a necessity. One of the most effective ways to improve your home's comfort and reduce utility bills is through window replacement. Old or inefficient windows often account for a significant amount of energy loss, driving up heating and cooling costs. Fortunately, modern energy-efficient windows offer a smart solution that benefits homeowners year-round. Let's explore how replacing your windows in Murray can boost your home's energy performance and provide long-term savings. Preventing drafts during harsh winters. Murray winters often bring below freezing temperatures and snow. If your home feels chilly despite your furnace working overtime, your windows may be the culprit. Old, single-pane windows or those with worn seals and cracked frames allow cold air to seep in and warm air to escape. This forces your HVAC system to work harder, raising your energy bills. New energy-efficient windows come with tight seals, advanced framing materials, and insulated glass that help keep the cold out. Features like double or triple pane glass filled with inert gases like argon create a thermal barrier, keeping your indoor spaces warmer and reducing your need to rely heavily on heating systems. Reducing cooling costs in the summer heat. Summers in Murray can be equally challenging, with temperatures often climbing into the 90s. Older windows can let in radiant heat, making your air conditioner run longer and harder. New energy-efficient windows reduce solar heat gain, helping to maintain a cooler interior even on the hottest days. Look for options with low emissivity coatings, which reflect heat away from your home while still allowing natural light to shine through. This keeps rooms more comfortable and helps lower cooling expenses during the warmer months. Minimizing condensation and moisture problems. Outdated windows often struggle with condensation buildup, especially during the winter. This moisture can lead to mold growth, wood rot, and poor indoor air quality. Energy-efficient replacement windows with warm edge spacers and insulated frames reduce the risk of condensation by maintaining more consistent indoor glass surface temperatures. By replacing your windows, you'll not only enhance your home's energy efficiency but also improve its overall durability and reduce maintenance needs. Better insulation equals consistent indoor temperatures. If your home has hot and cold spots, like that one bedroom that's always freezing or a sunroom that turns into a sauna, it's likely due to poor insulation, including inefficient windows. Upgrading to high-performance windows helps regulate indoor temperatures more evenly, making your home more comfortable throughout the day and in every season. Long-term cost savings. Though window replacement is an upfront investment, the monthly savings on utility bills add up over time. Many homeowners in Murray report reduced heating and cooling costs within the first year of installing energy-efficient windows. Some even qualify for rebates or energy tax credits, making the upgrade even more cost-effective. Increasing home value and market appeal. Energy-efficient upgrades like window replacement are attractive to prospective buyers. If you're planning to sell your home in the future, new windows can significantly boost its market appeal. Buyers in Murray understand the importance of quality windows in a four-season climate and are often willing to pay more for homes that are ready to handle it. Final thoughts. If your windows are outdated, drafty, or no longer performing as they should, it may be time to consider a professional window replacement. In a place like Murray, where both summer heat and winter cold can strain your home's energy systems, upgrading your windows is a smart, impactful decision. With better insulation, reduced utility bills, improved comfort, and added property value, the benefits of window replacement go far beyond aesthetics. Contact a local window expert today to explore your options and start saving energy all year long.